up, guys? Day 2, Hatfield McCoy. We just randomly all dressed the same. It was really weird that everyone has the same clothes and we all put them on at the same time without coordinating. Look at this majestic beast over here.
These matches.
There's another majestic beast over here.
2 of them.
Right. And look, another majestic beast. Oh, look at Steph.
And me. Honey, I love you. I think you're a terrific girl, but you have clothes like a f***ing dickhead.
Today's plan, go up and hit Rock House, right?
Yep. So we're gonna we're gonna jump out on the road, jump on 31, so it'll be a blue trail. We'll see how blue it is. And we're gonna take Devil Anse up into Rock House, and then when we're gonna get right into 94 to 95, which is supposed to be a double black. And we're just kind of cruise around. We're gonna go hit 84, which is another black, then make our way into the town of Man. So go from there for now. That's the first plan, and then we'll hit some more scenic routes on the way back. We'll go see the waterfall. Somebody's right off 13, and kind of go from there. I got a plan. They trust me some reason, so.
There's gonna be a lot of man in Man.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of man in Man.
So today's lineup, unfortunately, won't have Destiny's 1K. Still trying to locate a brake line. Jesse's Pro R on the 37s.
Broke.
Huh?
It's broke. The cigarette lighter don't work.
Yeah, his cigarette lighter does not work. Because of my wide body issues, he's gonna be running the PRP for today.
Yes, I'm excited. I'm excited now.
One of these was on a weird.
We're gonna have my 2020 Pro XP.
Yeah, how do I get
Steph's 21 Trails and Rocks.
Not highways.
Trails and Rocks.
Not highways.
Pat's staying. Well, Pat's machine is staying. He's riding with me. Lou on his 35s. And then the dudes, they're riding together in the 24. And Dudes Pro will be staying behind today. Alright guys, we've been running the blue trails. There's a naked ginger behind me. A lot less dust today, so it's been cool. We've been running a lot faster, which has been fun.
And less machines also makes sense.
And less machines too, yeah. The blue trails here, to me, are pretty much the same as the green ones.
Yeah, there's not a big difference.
Yeah, it's faster paced, but it's fun. Because it's kind of like faster pace like you'd see in places that are flat like Wisconsin, but you're in the mountains.
And the scenery is just beautiful.
Yeah, great scenery. But after our little break here, we got Trail 80 in Devil Anse. This is the first little climb. Should be pretty simple for everyone.
Except for if you drive a Pro R.
Except for Pro Rs. But since we've been doing a lot of point of view shots because it's all faster paced, figure we'll get this climb for you guys because I don't like only doing point of view. Jesse's up first, 37 inch, 370.
If it does make it a little bit more gnarly because the fact that I am running like 15 PSI, these tires, and we're all aired up.
much later.
All right, guys, we're on trail 84 at the trailhead in Rock House, Black Trail. Jesse thought he's been on this trail before, but
I have not. This has changed a lot even since I've been here a couple years back. 15, that was definitely new. I've never done that one before. The last time it was a gravel road. So,
yeah, we're just.
Well, do you want to give them an update? Have they been updated yet?
Kinda. So, part of the group left. We were in Horsepen or what?
We were right there by the cemetery, and then we drove in to go into town to use the restrooms. They saw a storm rolling in, so I take off back to the house. We decided to not. It's been a couple hours. We got some food. Tried to dry off a little bit. I mean, it was a torrential downpour for like an hour.
Yeah.
It was rough.
Very.
But we're here. We're still here. We made it all the way up through the whole Devil Anse, all the way to Rock House. I wasn't ready to turn around yet, so a little bit of rain didn't scare me. We'll see how black this trail really is.
Yeah. We don't know. So yeah, we're gonna hit this one. See what's up.
Come on. Oh, you foggy whore. Whore.
Just a little update, guys. There's a chance you guys didn't see any of this Black Trail 84 that I was just talking about. And that's because that's barely a blue trail. We did go down it, but even going up, barely blue. So I don't know how interesting it's going to be on camera. We'll see. But we are looking for double black 94 now. We're going to do 94 and 95.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's the most difficult, dude.
Yeah, let's see how difficult this is. We found the trailhead for double black 94. So see what this is about. I have a feeling we're going down it, but you know, we don't know where we're going, so it is what it is. Based on research we've done, 95. This is gonna take us to 95, and that should be going up. Well, I guess this is going down 95, not up it. Either way, we'll be turning around and coming back up.
12 seconds later.
We're going back up Trail 95. We have to get back. It's getting pretty late. And we want to go up the hard stuff. And it's also the fastest route back. So Trail 95 going up. found something that's at least a black. It's 94 double black. That wasn't very challenging, but that was a fun climb. That one, we're getting somewhere with that.
Don't forget to hit record. There's a train coming, bro. Oh, there's a train coming regardless.
Well, alright guys, we made it back. It took us like 7.5 hours, but we found a black trail finally. I don't know if
Blacker than our tires for once.
Yeah. Double black, not so much. It was pretty simple. Damn it.
Well,
let's pause for this train. But overall, it was a fun day. It was a wet day. Did a nice mixture of the high-speed stuff. We found some technical-ish stuff. Some of it Jesse's been on, and in 1 year it's a lot different. So before it was a lot better based on what he rode. So that's unfortunate that they keep some of these a little too groomed.
Yep.
I think, but we put on some miles today, right?
Yeah. By the time we literally pulled in here, on the dot, my GPS said 100.0 miles. So we did 100 miles today, and they're double black. Last time was a black, and then you go halfway up it, and they shut off. The actual part that used to be hard was a no entry. We were already a long day ahead of us, so we decided to not check it out and just get back. It turned into a little bit of a good time at the top of 94. So
Yeah.
basically, if you start at the bottom of 95 at 1995, go up that, take a left to 94, that's a good climb. The rest of 94 to the right, definitely not double black. That should have been like
That's
a pink.
green.
No, it's a pink.
Oh yeah, you're
double
triple pink.
Yeah, triple pink. 84, that's also a quadruple pink. Definitely
Yeah.
not a black trail. Definitely not worth trying to go out and find. Because we, not only do we want to ride, but we also want to find technical stuff. And not really technical out here. I think that they're definitely blocking a lot of it off to where they're not no more trails anymore.
It's steep, but it's not
steep.
hard.
Yeah. But I was out here a few years back, and it was definitely, there was some hard shit. I would not even say hard at all today.
Yeah.
But also at the same time, we did 100 miles of
Yeah,
trails.
it's a different type
and
of
it's
fun.
not road. It's not road. Like, we're hitting bumps. I mean, we're hauling ass down these trails, and it's 100 miles of that. So Pro R held out. You know, she did good. So I'm happy with that machine. In particular, Steph being on my ass. You know, at least the last half of it after the rainstorm, that impressed me.
Yeah, impressed
What
it.
a f***ing trooper! Holy shit!
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So, all in all, it's dark time. We left in the morning. It's a good trip, man.
Yeah, we just got back like 20 minutes
little bit
ago,
ago.
something like that.
So this is the 5th of July, and then we're about to watch some fireworks and hang out with the family and just have a good time at this point.
Yep.
So all in all, this is a good trail system to hit. If you want just straight technical, just only doing a few miles a day, this ain't the riding for you. But if you want to go down and put some miles, and the scenery has been so beautiful, it's a good trip.
Yeah.
It's a good trip. You got to mix that stuff up in there, you know. Because I'm just happy the fact that I did 150 miles in the last 2 days and I'm not broken. You know, like I love technical, but I also don't like braking. So
Yeah, it's even though some of these videos may be shorter because of the type of riding, we still did a lot of riding.
Oh yeah.
It's fun in real life. It's just hard to show it on camera.
Yeah, it's just because camera don't justify it as much, even climbing up a hill. We'll go down some like ups and downs, some rocks. So if you guys want to see us driving down the road all day, no you don't. So it's probably gonna be, obviously you guys see a lot shorter version of today, but today was a 100-mile trip for us.
Yeah. Overall though, good day, even though we got a little wet.
Yep. Big shout out to Jeremy for letting me use his PRP seat. Dude, holy shit, did I make the riding experience today a lot better. And then another thing is that center exit Bikeman exhaust. I'm in love. I'm in love because it just sounds so good. No, it sounds good. Just like the cruising along, it does not, like, it just sounds, it's almost quieter than stock. But then when you get on it, it just barks and it sounds so good. So, hey, if you guys got a Pro R and you guys want some Bikeman parts, there's like probably gonna be a code right here. It's gonna be like a probably somewhat Haggard. You use that, you save yourself some coin, save yourself some money.
Yes, sir.
Bikeman, and they're clutching. Like I said, I just put 150 miles on them. This is my first real trip with their clutching. So I keep breaking everything, so I cannot actually test it. Clutching is awesome. If you see a lot, I don't know, Jeremy could probably do a fucking 10-minute video of all my back arounds, you know, backing up, trying to make it work. And I'm in high a lot of it, and we're going up hills, and it's, Bikeman clutching they're pretty dialed as well. So, Bikeman, let's put it this way, I've had a lot of aftermarket accessories on my machine, and I feel like they don't put enough R&D in it. Bikeman has enough R&D. They got enough research and development in their equipment to where they wait a little bit, but they come out with a good product.
Yeah, definitely. So if you guys want to see these videos a scotch early, if you want to see them ad-free, uncensored.
Because you have to bleep out the I just said.
Yeah. Check out our Patreon. We got a link for that in the description below. And if you need just parts for your machine, let's say you need something from Sandcraft. Let's say you want a Viper shifter like Lou has, like I have. You can get all that stuff in the same place, glifeutv.com. There's going to be an affiliate link right down here. And if you click on that and you use code Haggard5, that will save you some coin there. That's it. It's time to drink beer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.